Hi, my name is Nico. I'm a software engineer currently. I live in Culver City. I've been living there for the past 4 years, but I decided that I wanted to move back to OC. I grew up in Huntington Beach. My family is also there, so I decided I wanted to live in OC. And because of that, I just bought a house in Tustin with the help of your home sold guaranteed. They were extremely great. The reason that I chose Tustin, where I bought my house, is because I really like OC in general. It's a lot closer to my family. And I decided that I didn't really want to live in West LA anymore. West LA is like really nice. It has a lot of things to do, but the house prices are just too much. It's really expensive there. It's also very crowded. There's already too many people. The lots are really small, traffic and so on. And that's one of the biggest reasons I wanted to go to Tustin. Tustin houses there are really big. There's a lot of empty space. And you're able to buy a big house. I'm also trying to look forward to the future. Thinking of getting married and maybe having a family soon. And having a big house definitely helps with that. Just prepare for that in the future. So in terms of how I got to know Rudy and the team, it's my uncle, Jeff. He actually was high school friends with Rudy, and then he's really good friends with him over time. And when he found out that I was actually looking to move to Tustin and buy a house, he definitely recommended him. And my realtor right now, Linda, he also knows Linda, and he told me that Linda's a really good person to work with. And yeah, that's pretty much how I got it through referrals. And so far, it's been a great experience. Yeah, working with Linda was amazing. So we actually finished everything in a month, and she was extremely quick with everything. Every time I have a question, even though it's 11 p.m., I actually work during the day, so I can usually only kind of respond to emails and ask questions at night. She was always responsive, even at nighttime. And because of that, we finished escrow in about a month. And even with that, we actually finished a week early for closing because I actually wanted to move sooner, and then she actually helped guide with that, working with the escrow, the seller, and so on really easily. Another benefit is they would really help you a lot. They really care for you. For example, we actually bought the house $14,000 less than what the asking price was. Linda actually fought for us and talked with the seller and was actually able to negotiate a lower price. Same with all the fixes. When we did an inspection, there were a few things that needed to be fixed, and then she was really proactive in asking the seller and trying to prove our point, and we actually got a lot of them fixed. So yeah, definitely Rudy and the team has got your back, and they would like pretty much save you money and like get you your house really quick. Yeah, so if you're looking to move, don't hesitate. Just contact Rudy and the team. They've got your back. You can trust them with any questions you want, and they'll definitely give you a good deal.